Welcome to another Mixology Monday. This is Jordan. I'm Robbie. We got a super easy drink for you guys today. What are you making today, Jordan?
Today we're making the coffee cider cocktail.
Cool. All right, so you got 2 glasses, one for each of us, fill them with ice.
Yep, I'm gonna start with the ice.
How are we doing this?
Very easy. We're just gonna add 3 ounces of apple cider to both. So I'll do that.
Cool. Apple cider in the pot.
Yep. Next up, we're gonna add some of Javeska's fresh brewed coffee.
This is our local coffee roaster that makes our coffee rum.
Yep. Oh, and it's an ounce of this
1 ounce
per glass.
per glass. Cool. All right. What you got next?
Cool. Next up, most important ingredient, as always, our Muddy River Coffee Carolina Rum. I'm gonna do 1.5 ounces for each glass here.
Nice. All right,
Yep.
now I'm gonna add a little orange to that.
Yeah.
I'm just gonna squeeze half an orange, just kind of a little bit in each drink. Looks pretty good.
Cool. Let me give them a stir real quick.
Smells amazing already.
Yeah, it's smelling good. Why don't you give us a little orange zest for a garnish?
All right, try to do this not losing fingies. So we're doing the orange zest mostly for the aroma that it creates, expressing the oils on the orange. I'm gonna rim the glass just a little bit.
Cool.
And there you have it, folks.
That's
That's our coffee cider cocktail. Hopefully you enjoyed this video. The recipe will be in the description below. And we'll also have links to our website where you can buy a rum. You can also come out to the distillery and take a tour. Cheers, and thanks for watching. Cheers, brother.
Cheers.